Hi guys!
Sino magbaba ng kortina?
Ayun. Ano bago ulit? Para lang sa research. Yun yung part 2. According to Susi Apiani, Ivan Zinat, Ahmad Resti, Gutiawati, Dikabayo Mahardika, from the month of December 30, year 2022, the study found that playing Mobile Legends Bang Bang, or MLBB, has a significant effect on the student or SMP1 Cotabaru. Parang ibang laro. Sinaunang laro siya dati guys, yung Cotabaru. Mobile Legend or ML accounts for 90.8% of impacting factors on the mental health of students at SMP1 Cotabaru. The results of inferential statistics indicated that the significance level was below 0.05. Then the relationship observed was not a mere coincidence. To contribute credibly to these findings, the study is said to complement the other contribution by the use of quantitative methodology with an ex post facto research technique. A questionnaire purposely made to access the Mobile Legends or ML game and mental health also adds the credibility of the results reported. And that's it. Thank you.